Oh no, the screen is black. It doesn't work. Come on, start. Please start. Nothing. No music. No messages. Oh, this is so bad. Still no power. The phone is completely dead. Morning, Chloe. Why do you look so stressed? Hi, Anna. My phone is broken. Look, the screen is black. It won't turn on. Oh, that's sad. Did you charge it? Yes, I tried. No light, no sound, nothing. Maybe the battery is broken. Without my phone, I feel lost. I can't play music. I can't check messages. I can't even see the time. Don't panic. Let's take it to the repair shop. Maybe they can fix it. The repair shop. Where? On Green Street near the cafe. We can walk there. Okay. I have no choice. Let's go. Without my phone, I feel nervous. I can't check the time. I can't listen to music. Don't worry. Look around. The morning is beautiful. Maybe, but it feels strange. Usually I just look at my screen. Try to look outside. The street, the people, the shops. Oh, the smell. Wow, the bakery smells so good. Yes, fresh bread. Warm bread. Usually I just order food online, now I see real bread right here. See real bread? Real life. The smell is sweet. It makes me hungry. Fresh bread is always better than food on a screen. Wow. The bus is full of people. Yes. People go to work every morning. Full. You mean many people. No empty seats. Exactly. Full means no space. Ah, I see. A full bus. I never watched this before. I always look at my phone. See, you can learn new things by looking around. Oh, wow. The trees are tall. The sky is so blue. Beautiful, right? Yes. I usually look down at my screen. Now I look up. Up is better. Yes. Better. The birds sing. The air feels fresh. I like this. Yes. Listen carefully. This is the real world. Maybe this walk is not so bad. See? Without a phone, you can still enjoy life. Maybe I can. Maybe I can enjoy more. The smell of coffee, strong and sweet. Yes, fresh coffee. Do you want to stop? Without my phone, I can't pay online. Don't worry, I have cash. Thank you. Let's sit for a moment. Wow, it looks hot. The steam goes up. Careful. It's hot and strong. Oh, good. Bitter, but also smooth. Yes, bitter and smooth. Coffee gives energy. Usually I drink coffee at home with my phone in my hand. Now it feels different. Different is good. Sometimes I see people here talking, laughing. It feels alive. Exactly. People, not screens. Oh, look at the flowers. Red, yellow, pink. So bright. Yes, the flower shop is beautiful. Wow. I never noticed this shop before. Because you always look at your phone. True. Now I see more colors. So many colors. Colors make life rich. Yes. Rich and bright. The water is so clear. The sound is soft. Yes. Splash. Splash. Oh, the children are so happy. They laugh so much. Simple things make them happy. Maybe I can learn from them, to enjoy small things. Yes. Small things, big joy. Ah, music. A guitar. Yes. Live music. I like this sound. Better than music on a phone. Yes. This sound is real, soft, and alive. See? No phone. No problem. Oh, the dog runs fast. It looks happy. Dogs love to play. The park feels peaceful. Yes. Peaceful and calm. Oh wow, look at the fruit. So fresh. Yes. Red apples, yellow bananas, green grapes. The smell is sweet. My mouth feels hungry. Fruits are good for you. I usually buy them online. Now I see the real fruit here in front of me. Touch it, smell it, choose it. That is better. Yes, real is better. The street is alive. So many faces, so many voices. Yes, you see more without a phone in your hand. True. Today feels different. Strange, but also good. This is a lesson. The world is bigger than the phone. Maybe this broken phone is a small gift. Hello. How can I help you? Hi. My phone is broken. The screen is black. It doesn't start. Okay, let me see. I feel nervous. Can you fix it? Yes. I think it's only the battery. I can change it. Really? That's great. It will take about 1 hour. 1 hour. Okay, we can wait. Yes, we can wait. Thank you. 1 more hour without a phone. 1 more hour to enjoy life. Maybe you're right. Today I saw the bakery, the flowers, the park, all without a phone. Yes. And you smiled more. Maybe I did. So many people need their phones fixed. Phones break, but life doesn't stop. True. Life goes on. People walk, talk, smile, even without phones. Yes, we sometimes forget that. Today is a big lesson. Here you are. New battery. It works now. Oh wow. The screen is on. My phone is alive again. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Take care of it. Yes, I will. Thank you. Strange. I have my phone again, but I don't feel the same. What do you mean? Before, I felt lost without it. Now I feel free, with or without it. That's good. You learned something. Yes. Today I learned to see the world, to smell, to listen, to feel. Life is bigger than a small screen. Exactly. Life is bigger. Wow. The sky is so beautiful. Orange, pink, and soft blue. Yes. Evening colors. I never look at the sky when I walk, but now it feels amazing. This is the real gift. Ah, yes. Today I learned to look up, not only down at my phone. Good lesson. I feel calm, peaceful, and happy. You know, today was special. Yes, very special. My phone broke, but I saw the world. I heard sounds. I smelled bread and flowers. I watched children play. I felt the evening air. And you enjoyed it. Yes, I enjoyed it. A broken phone gave me a full day. That's the meaning of today. Life is not only in the phone. Life is all around us. Thank you for being with us today. This is Viral Daily English. If you liked this story, please like, share, and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, can you live one day without your phone?